Hey there, it's Tom Corson-Knowles. In this video, we're going to talk about how to add media, so images as well as video to any blog posts, pages, or anywhere on your website. So there's two ways that you can get to the add media section of WordPress. So first of all, if you have a post, so if you go to post, add new, or even if you're on a page, you can go to page, add new, then you just click the add media button right here. The other way to get to it is to come over here to the media tab and then go to add new. So here's the media tab with all the images on my website right now. Just click add new, and then you can upload any file anywhere on your computer. You can also drag files to upload. So if you got a file on your homepage, you can just drag it over here and it'll upload right there. So let's take a look at this images and how they work. So here's the edit page for the image on WordPress. There's a couple options you should probably be aware of. So first of all, here you're gonna have the URL of this actual image. So this is the URL of the image, which means if you shared this link to someone, it would take them immediately to the place where this file is stored on my website. So this image page just looks like that. It's just nothing but the image hosted on my website at this moment. So it's not appearing in a blog post yet. It's not anywhere on my website that people can see. It's just stored here at this spot on my website. So it's in storage on my website right now. Now, that's important because if you had to link to the image or show someone where that image is, or tell a program or code where that image is, you might want that link right there. Then we have the title. So here we have the title of the image. You can name this whatever you want. Generally, it should be related to the image. So generally, these are going to be keywords you're going to put here in the title and also in the alt text. So alt text is basically text, alternate text that appears if for some reason the image cannot load. And that's very rare that would happen. But generally, alt text is used by search engines to try to figure out what that image is about. So again, you probably want to put a keyword in here that's related to the image that you are uploading. Then we have a description here. You do not need descriptions. You don't need captions. Captions are text that would go underneath the image. So if you want a text underneath the image, you could write a caption there. And then it'll tell you where it was uploaded by, where it was uploaded to, what post it was uploaded to, and then that's pretty much all you need to know. Now, if you want to edit the image, you can click here, Edit Image, and then you can flip it. You can make all kinds of changes there. You can make it wider, or sorry, reverse the image that way. You can reverse the image that way. You can change the dimensions here. And you can actually change the sizing as well. So you can, if you wanted to, make this half as big, you could do that, and you would hit scale, and then the image would be half as big. You can change the aspect ratio, you can crop it. There's all kinds of things that you can do in here, which is pretty cool. So once you're all done there, you can just go ahead and insert the image in your blog post. So the way that you would do that is when you have a page here or the post, just click Add Media. You'll come and you'll find this image and you'll hit insert image into the blog post, and it should show up and appear in your blog post. So that's pretty much all you need to know for images. Now, you can add other media as well. You can add PDFs, Word documents, all kinds of things that you can add in your WordPress media library. You can even add videos, but I do not recommend adding videos to your library. And the reason for that is because it's going to take up a ton of storage space. Video files tend to be very large, and especially if you're using several of them, it can be really bog down your storage in your hosting account. So most hosting accounts have kind of limits on how much storage you can have, and they tend to be pretty generous with those limits. But if you are adding lots of videos to your website, you will probably reach that limit very quickly. So instead, for video hosting, I would recommend using something like YouTube or Vimeo, some kind of video hosting service, and then you can just link to that video on your web page. So that's a super easy way to do video. For example, if you go to YouTube, okay, so let's take this example of a YouTube video here from a TED Talk. Let's say I wanted to put this video, let's just assume this was my video or whatever, and I wanted to put this on my website. You would come down here to Share, and then you would click Embed. And this code right here is what you would copy into your blog post. So you would copy this code right here. You would come to your blog post right here. You would come to the text editor, because this is HTML code. It's not visual code, it's HTML code. So you would copy this into the text editor and then click Visual, and you'll see this box appears right here, which means your video will appear. And then if you click preview, generally you would see the video, but for some reason the video is not showing up in my preview. But anyways, if you publish that page, you would then see the video would now be embedded on your page and would play on your page. So that's what I recommend for video. Use Vimeo or YouTube for video hosting, and then embed it in your blog posts or pages. For images, you can store them on your own server, and that's the best way to do it. Store them inside WordPress, and then you can get to them, edit them, change them anytime you want. So that's just a simple overview of how to use media and images and videos in your blog posts. Hope it's been helpful. I'll see you in the next video.